Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2015 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. This Jeep has 60,908 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. Apple Chevrolet is offering over $1,900 in savings on this specific vehicle. This four-wheel drive, four-door has a 3.2 liter V6 engine with your back tinted windows and 17 by 7.5 inch aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have half cloth, half leather seating throughout the entire vehicle. Now, when it comes to the front, we do have a touchscreen radio and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.